Do you know that the average salary of an Android developer in India is 4 lakhs per annum, where the lowest is 1.5 lakhs per annum and the highest is 11 lakhs per annum? With these numbers, we can confidently say that Android development is an exciting field to explore with an expectation of a good salary package. And you know what? Qualified Android developers are in demand as well. And if you're also willing to put in your time and efforts into learning Android development and become a skillful person in this field, you can explore this Meta Android Developer Professional Certificate Program offered by Meta via Coursera platform. This is a beginner level course. You can complete this course in 9 months. In this course, you will gain the skills required for an entry-level career as an Android developer. Learn how to create applications for Android, including how to build and manage the lifecycle of a mobile app using Android Studio. Learn coding in Kotlin and the programming fundamentals for how to create the user interface and best practices for design. Create cross-platform mobile applications using React Native. The skills you will gain in this course are Kotlin Playground, React, Android Studio, Git, GitHub, JavaScript, version control, application development, mobile development, Linux, and web development. This professional certificate program has 13 courses. The first one is Introduction to Android Mobile Application Development. Explore the Android Studio and the fundamental concepts of Android app development. Learn about operating systems and different platforms for creating mobile apps. You will conclude your introduction to Android application development by building out each aspect of a guided project. This course has 37 videos, 26 readings, and 11 quizzes. You can complete this course in 11 hours and 49 minutes. The second one is version control. Learn how modern software developers collaborate across the world without messing up each other's code. You look at the different version control systems and how to create an effective software development workflow. This course has 30 videos, 20 readings, and 11 quizzes. You can complete this course in 13 hours and 11 minutes. The third one is Programming Fundamentals in Kotlin. Practice and expand on the fundamentals of programming that are core to any language as well as the unique aspects of Kotlin syntax. You will work with data types, functions, conditionals, operators, collections, arrays, variables, and loops. This course has 35 videos, 69 readings, and 29 quizzes. You can complete this course in 24 hours and 52 minutes. Principles of UX UI Design. Learn the fundamentals of user experience, research, and design. Become immersed in the UX process of identifying problems and iterating and testing designs to find appropriate solutions. You'll learn how to empathize with users through best practice research approaches and create common UX artifacts such as user personas. This course has 39 videos, 53 readings, and 22 quizzes. You can complete this course in 21 hours and 47 minutes. The fifth one is Create the User Interface in Android Studio. This course will teach how to create user interface for mobile apps using Android Studio. You'll use the layout editor, text view, image view, button, view groups, recycler view, and jetpack. You will list and compare the different options for building a UI programmed by Kotlin so that you are able to find meaningful and functional UIs for Android using Kotlin. The sixth one is Advanced Programming in Kotlin. You'll start off with lifecycle management, which will allow you to implement an app with an activity. You'll also practice more advanced object-oriented features of Kotlin by declaring an object in Android and implementing companion objects. This course will also introduce you to the basics of unit testing in Android to ensure that your application functions are intended. The seventh one is Working with Data in Android. Learn how to work with web technologies and persistent data on Android applications even after you close or restart an app. That's a focus on web communication and developer tools, and you will discover how Kotlin applications communicate over the web. You will learn how data formats and web protocols work in relation to Kotlin apps. The ninth one is Mobile Development in JavaScript. This course is the first in a series that will allow you to expand your skills as an iOS developer into the world of cross-platform mobile development. This will allow you to use your foundations as an iOS developer to build cross-platform mobile applications. The 10th one is React Basics. In this course, you will explore the fundamental concepts that underpin the React library and learn the basic skills required to build a simple, fast, and scalable app. This course has 40 videos, 43 readings, and 22 quizzes. You can complete this course in 26 hours and 56 minutes. The 11th one is React Native. In this course, we'll move from the basics of React to a more advanced implementation of using React Native. You'll review a wide range of different React components and the way of styling them. This course has 59 videos, 76 readings, and 35 quizzes. You can complete this course in 41 hours and 46 minutes. The 12th one is Android App Capstone. This capstone project will enable you to demonstrate multiple skills from the certificate program by solving an authentic real-world problem, creating a native Android mobile app. The final one is Coding Interview Preparation. The final course in this program will help prepare you for the unique aspects of a coding job interview, with approaches to problem solving, computer science foundations, and soft skills needed to land the job. Now let's say the 4 different enrollment options you have for this program. If you just want to learn for free, you can choose the audit option, which you will be able to find in the individual courses page. But you won't be able to get a course completion certificate, and you won't be able to submit assignments or get grades for your work with this option. Anyway, you can pay for one at any time during or after the course to get your certificate. Please note that this option will not be visible in the Meta Android Developer Professional Certificate page. The second one is you can simply purchase this Meta Android Developer Professional Certificate in Coursera, which will give you unlimited access to all the courses included in this professional certificate. And with this option, you can earn a shareable certificate of completion from Meta. Note that this option comes with a 14-day refund period and also has EMI payment options. The third one is you can opt for Coursera Plus monthly subscription. This would be the best option if you want to access more than one course in Coursera. Coursera Plus subscription will provide you with unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, hands-on projects, and job-ready certificate programs from leading universities and companies. So with this option, you can access not only this Meta Android Developer Professional Certificate, but also many courses, projects, specializations, and professional certificates that is available in Coursera and earn unlimited certificates. Last but not least, most courses in Coursera offer financial aid or scholarships, but these may not be available for certain courses. To receive Coursera financial aid or a scholarship, you have to fill out an application with details about your educational background, professional aspirations, and financial situation, and ensure that you abide by Coursera's code of conduct and honor code. So these are the different enrollment options. You can opt for the one which suits you the best. Hope this program helps you in upgrading your skills and accelerate your career growth. Click on the link in the description and grab this Meta Android Developer Professional Certificate soon.